Watch this guest bedroom transformation go from a hot mess to maximum wow factor in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Add spiderweb. Courtney thought it best to drill holes into her walls and ceiling. She might not be firing on all cylinders. You can accomplish this look with regular Dollar Tree spiderwebs. Get the glow in the dark ones for added wow factor. Cut the holes. The more you make, the better it looks. Add the light-up spiders. These were purchased from Amazon. Courtney added some Dollar Tree spiders from last year to all the anchor spots for the web to cover up the hooks used. Add a black light for extra wow factor at night. Step 2. Style your nightstands. Courtney started out doing more of a balanced look, but decided against it later as this is supposed to be a teen girl's room. Don't forget to add some creepy cloth for added effect. Step 3. Add a second spider web for max results. And, yes, Courtney drilled more holes. Step 4. Decorate whatever furniture you have in the room. Courtney moved a bookshelf into this room from her den. She wanted me to let you know that she does her own stunt work. She preferred to style this whole room in her PJs, but you can opt out for this if you'd like and dress like a normal human being. Per usual, she changes her mind a few times, but in the end she pulls yet another win out her arse. Step 5. Make the bed. Simple but definitely needed. Courtney will be adding the duvet insert once the weather changes or it gets closer to All Hallows Eve. She is, after all, in California.
Right, here we are. My creepy kid room. Thought I would, get a little dressed up for you today. I got a new shirt. This bra don't fit my boobies no more. I bought this back when I was 116 pounds. It's neither here nor there. Once again, this is creepy teen girl room. So even though she's got the spider webs and skulls hanging, she got creepy photos, which are artwork, which I am waiting on some pieces. I also want to add some more stuff like parental influence type stuff to the wall over here on this other side, because she doesn't live on her own. She's still at home. So she is going to have a parental influence as far as, well, I would hope she would, as far as how far she can take things, that kind of thing. Forgot all about my good friend Lucian. I didn't even mention him. I just freaking zoomed right over the whole Lucian aspect. Oh my gosh. As my good friend Lucian, he was a little spicy. He's a little spicy in the intro, but we'll forgive him for that. As my good friend Lucian said,
"You're a dick, and we are not friends."
You make the bed with whatever stuff you got. I don't know what you got. So this is what I had. I felt like either the mom would make her use this or she might like it too, because it does have the spider webs and it is multicolored, which is the reason I didn't really like it. Then we just put the vampire, can I talk today? Vampire Freaks throw blanket on top. I think it adds to it. We've got some pillows, which better have my candy. I use these two pillows, not this bat one, but these two pillows on my bed last year for my cottage, witchy forest theme, whatever it was, I don't know. I think she would dig these because they're kind of sparkly. And she got her stuffed animal, I don't say plushie because I'm a grown woman. She got her stuffed animal, little bat, and then this is sentimental to her, this little bear, so she keeps it up there even though it's brightly colored. Once again, even though she's creepy teen girl, she's not sleep with one eye open creepy, okay? The parents aren't fearing for their lives at night. Then I just added the creepy cloth, put the creepy baby doll head and some rats with the leather face metal cutout from Temu. So that's pretty much it for the bed. Obviously, the artwork above the bed is parental influence. Then she just hung this bat, and you can't see it, but the bat has, this cage has cotton down below with some bones scattered, and then it has the purple spiders that will light up. I'm going to do a whole night reveal with all the lights. I just have to go get batteries today. Then with the nightstands, Lucian went over this at the beginning of the video, but waiting on whether I'm going to put in the creepy kid photos that are coming today. Hopefully it gets here before the video gets posted on Friday, because it's Tuesday right now. So hopefully, yeah, I'll keep my fingers crossed. And then we have this artwork that the girl did. She kind of copied this creepy photo over here. Welcome to the other side of the room. Over here, well, we have obviously the other nightstand. I don't think Lucian went over this. Oh yeah, I think he did. He did let you know that my thought process was, I started out with things, even Steven, symmetry, and then I realized I don't think a teenage girl would be doing that. You know, she's not a grown woman with issues. So that's why I decided to change things up. We do still have the trees on either side because they got these creepy spiders and she likes them. And then we have the melting jack-o'-lantern still. I added the spider, baby doll head, and then she ever so casually keeps her remote to the fan and light right on top of her Ultimate Serial Killer trivia book, hoping that her parents won't notice. And then she has this melting jack-o'-lantern on top of her Notorious Serial Killer card games. Now this, I don't really know if you can play games with these, but these are neat because they tell you all the facts. So if you're interested in learning all the facts about all the notorious serial killers. And you might want to get those. A friend of mine got me these for Christmas one year. I absolutely love it. This, like I said, waiting on things. Going to be more of a gallery wall. I'm going to put this up in there. I made a huge mistake by putting this up before I did my gallery wall. It's not going to be that much of a gallery wall. There's going to be some parental influence things hung up, and then the thing that I'm waiting on for Temu, that I just showed you, that's probably, we're going to call it good. Then we have the bookshelf. I love this area. It was pretty simple. You just decorate how you do. Got that from Big Lots last year. Was it last year or the year before? No, it was 2023. Got this in 2023, and I do need to lift it up so that when I ever put freaking batteries in it, it shows dancing skeletons. So we'll do that. Added this skeleton pillar holder, whatever the hell it is, but I don't know if I like it. Pulled out the books from the wall and added these creepy hands. I have 3 of them, so they're placed sporadically throughout this venue. I try to think of other words because I feel like everybody and their mother says there are words. Okay, I don't know if you feel like this. Sorry, trying to get my bra back up where it's supposed to be. People say the same things. Like once one person says it, then everybody catches on, and then they're using the same damn word or phrase. We're just gonna sprinkle these through here. You're not sprinkling anything. You're placing. So yeah, I'm just not into the phrases and words that everybody on YouTube seems to, or social media seems to use. It's annoying. AF. What else did I do? Added the skulls, put up the mirror, added these little guys. Got these from Temu 2023. Added my little pumpkin head serial killer, because that's what he reminds me of. And that's about it. So yeah, I think that's it as far as this side of the room goes, other than these jack-o'-lanterns that are on the floor. I will have to insert some vid right here or some photos because they're hard to capture because of the shadows, and they're like way down there and the bed's in the way. Can I go on and on anymore? Yes, I could. Let's move on. This is where I leave you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we say goodbye. Hasta la vista. Ciao, Bella. Toodles. Hope you enjoy the nighttime lit up tour and reveal. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you feel so inclined. But more importantly, leave a comment. Let me know if you like the style of video, if you liked what I did with the room, and I will see you on the next one, which will be my living room.